and non-subscribers. Today we are doing a food review. Okay, we are in a different cafe. Yes, it is Smoky Garage Cafe. It is at New Bell Road, very close by to MS Ramaya College. Okay, and this name Smoky Garage Cafe, the theme itself tells you that this is an automobile hookah bar. Yes, this is a complete theme of an automobile. As soon as you get inside, you will know that there are cycle cabs, there are number plates hanging, and more. So let us get inside and see how the theme is all about. Okay, so come, let's go. So Smoky Garage, they are here. We are in Smoky Garage Cafe and we have two young owners who started this. So let us quickly hear with them how did they get this theme first of all. Okay. So yes, welcome to Sandy Reviews, and you have to welcome me back.
Welcome to Smoky Garage Cafe.
So you can tell the subscribers and how did this idea?
Hi subscribers, this is effort of 10 years. We were working for automobiles for 10 years. We thought of doing something which is unique. So we thought of coming up with automobile theme in Kabar and pursuing it. It took us almost 2 years to survive in Bell Road. It's all about the effort what we did in last 10 years. Now we are here.
Yes, so there's a lot of struggle here. You would see the entire cafe. It is with automobile theme. Wherever you see, you have that feel of automobile. Enthusiastic there who love cars, bikes. This is a place where you can chill out with your passion. Okay. So what is special here? Okay, hookah bar. I've seen it in many places. In Bangalore, almost every nook and corner has hookah bar. But what is special here in Smoky Garage?
Special is all about automobile theme. The setup itself is special, whereas nobody would have tried this in Bangalore.
Other special.
So, and the flavors where you can try here, there are plenty of flavor here. Like whereas you go in the other cafes, you would have found 12, 10. We've got more, like 14 to 15. We get it from the best vendors of the hookah flavors. So you can try them all.
Okay. They have 14 to 15 flavors here. Not only hookahs, they even have food, which Chinese, continental, and
Indian.
And Indian. Yes, they have all three. So all summer runners there. This is a place for you guys also. So don't have that stereotype that hookah, I shouldn't go. Not like that. This is a place where you can come. I don't smoke. I've got my friends to smoke. Me to eat. So that is how it is. So let's see. Let's try the best hookah, whichever you have. You can give it. Which is the best hookah here?
I would give you the best is the most selling flavor of Smoky Garage is Rajnigandha.
Rajnigandha. Really? Yeah.
You can try them. You will love the flavor.
Okay. So yes, they have a flavor called Rajnigandha. So let us try that. My friends will try. And
Food like I would prefer you to try with dragon chicken.
Okay.
And then a barbecue chicken and paneer manchurian.
Okay. So there's one veg also. So vegetarian out there. This is a place for you guys also. So let's feast and smoke. Now the hookah is here and the food is also here. So we have a brother who will tell us what it is, and we will taste and tell you how it is.
Here is the dragon chicken.
Yeah. So this is dragon chicken. Dragon chicken.
Is that you don't have dragon?
Yeah. You don't have dragon.
And then here is the chicken manchurian.
This is chicken Manchurian. Yeah. Okay.
And here you've got gobi Manchurian.
This is gobi Manchurian for veg lovers out there who wants to take hookah and have something. This is for them. And you have veg varieties also, no? You have
Yes.
paneer.
Yes,
you
we've
have-
got paneer, mushrooms, and then baby corn.
Okay, so they have almost all veg dish also. And in chicken you have even lamb? No, only chicken.
we don't.
Only chicken. Right? Okay, so
Just
it's only chicken and veg they have varieties. And there are two drinks here. Non-alcoholic mojitos. Yeah.
Yes.
So
This is the Blue Lagoon, and then the
this Blue Lagoon. Yeah, and this is
Triple Impact.
this is triple impact. We will see how the impact is after drinking. Yeah, so first we will taste with chicken. Yeah. Just for the camera. Just take me taste.
Please.
You will taste?
No, you will have to taste.
Yeah. The chicken is cooked well. It has this proper, like you told me at the beginning when you said you have Indian flavors also, right? But this is something like a mix of,
Indian and Chinese.
yeah, correct. Indian and Chinese. It's a mix of masalas, which is giving that wow factor when you have it. It's too good. We'll have one more. Ah, the last, it has a sweeten also, little bit of sweet taste. Superb. 9 out of 10. And this is dragon chicken, correct? So, like brother said, there's no dragon in it. Take the dragon. So this is like bigger size of prawns, bro.
Looks like it.
Wow, this is fab. This is purely a Chinese dish, correct? This doesn't have this Indian flavor in it. This is purely Chinese, wherein the spice is bit high, wherein it gives that, when you eat, you have that proper flavor of spice covered inside your taste bud. Yeah, this is good. Super. Hookah is one thing, which I'll tell you how it is, but I'm not going to taste. My friends are going to taste and tell how it is.
Please try with veg.
So this is veg here. Vegetarian out there, you always tell that there's no veg dish, there's no veg dish in your video. So this is for you guys. It's a gobi manchurian. Chinese style. Wow. It is way too crispy and it is crunchy. Okay. And it is marinated well. Usually gobi manchurian you have to marinate it properly so that the flavor of it gets inside. And what in this three dish, the best was chicken manchurian because this had that Indian flavor. People are taking hookah with that smoky, smoky thing. If they have this, it's an amazing stuff. These two also were very good, but comparably, must try is chicken manchurian. It is too good. Dragon chicken is also way too spicy. For people who like more of spice, they can try this. And people who like with Indian, Chinese flavor of both, then they can try a chicken manchurian and gobi manchurian. It is, I would not tell it is completely different, but what I could tell you is that it is marinated well and again fried well with all the spices, so that it gives that that factor. Yes, so it's good. Like you said, the food is amazing. Now I have my friend here, Shahid. You would have seen him in the last video. So he's gonna try the hookah and tell you how the flavor is. Rajni Gandha is the hookah's flavor, correct?
I've been trying hookah here since like
Smoking is injurious to health, but it's okay, you can smoke.
only for some people. Some people like Lisha too. Yes, the whole hookah flavor is damn smooth. I've never tried any hookah like this. Very smooth, and that keeps you taking more. You know, it keeps you relaxed and
like Sandy said, the whole food is also amazing. Lovely place to hop in, guys, for a weekend.
Yeah. So how is this actually hookah? It is, you're telling it is too smooth, is it?
Yeah,
Usually it is.
Yeah, sometimes it becomes a little harsh. So you know, when you pull the hookah, it gives you a cough or anything
Okay.
like that. But this is entirely not like that. It's very smooth, and I wondered why this was the most selling. Now I understood why it is the most.
So that is why bro said that Rajnigandha is famous here and people pop Rajnigandha more. Yes. So that is the reason what Shahid said. So this is called Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon. So Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon. Yeah. It's good. This Blue Lagoon, these mojitos are usually, it is very common everywhere, the taste would be the same. But here, they have added pudina more so that it gives that mint flavor
and
a lot.
refreshing as
Yeah,
well.
it is refreshing. The mint flavor is more here. So it tastes good. That way I could tell. So what is the price of chicken Manchurian here and what is the cost overall if a person is coming? It's a budget friendly.
It's definitely a budget friendly because you see the pricing where we've got, you would have explored more and more cafes here, restaurants, then it's very friendly budget.
Well, yeah, I was seeing their menu. It was somewhere ranging from 150 to 300 is the max, I think. So
We don't have anything in the bracket of 300. Anything is below
300.
300.
So somewhere from 150 below 300. So people out there who want to treat or want to celebrate birthday, even that they can organize. So here at Smoky Garage, if you want to celebrate your birthdays, your friend's birthday or whatever it is, here they have a concept called 4 More Wishes, correct? And they have 3 packages starting with
2,500.
2,500, which includes lot many things. I will put in the description whatever it includes and few pictures if possible at the end of the video I will show you. So you guys can come here, have your birthday parties. This room is given, is it? So you can see how big the room is. They will give this room to you guys to celebrate your birthdays with your friends, hangout places. And you would have seen the entire place, how it is equipped with automobile stuff. About this episode, Smoky Garage, which is in Bell Road, very close to MS Ramaya College. It's a recommendation from Sandy Reviews that you guys come, visit this place, have this delicious food and try this Rajnigandha hookah. Okay, if you're 18 plus only. Otherwise you have there's no entry, correct? There's no entry. Only 18 plus has an entry to come try your hookah. But food you guys can come and try even if you're below 18. Okay, but hookah will not be served for below 18. So, yeah, so now we are gonna have the public opinion how Smoky Garage is. So your name please?
Pooja.
Pooja. Okay, Pooja is here and
Sapna.
Sapna. So we will hear how Smoky Garage was for them today. So how's Smoky Garage?
Had fun and it's a good place to eat something and we can also have hookah. This is the best place to hang out. And I felt very friendly and the staff were too friendly with us. The food were awesome. There is no talk about food and all.
Okay, what you guys tried here? What food you tried?
We tried the mocktails, Szechuan fried rice and noodles.
Okay, so Szechuan fried rice and noodles. Out of 10, the rating would be? 9. Yes. And hookah, you guys tried or?
Yeah, we tried the hookah also. It was legend.
Which one?
The night thing?
Okay, Night Queen. So people who are seeing this video, please try even Night Queen. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, Sandy signing off from Sandy Reviews. And bro,
Thank you.
you can
Please subscribe the channel.
subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks. Bye.